learn that. So let's dive into it. Welcome, this is Freestock University, and today we are going to learn breakdancing rules, or you can call it b-boy if you want. So this move originated from b-boy. Its name is the V-kick, and that is what you're going to learn today. So remember to subscribe, share, comment, and let me know which video you want me to do next. So today we're going to learn the V-kick, and it looks like hard, but it's super easy. Yeah, super easy. Just like a little coordination, and then go work, lock your arms, and you're done. So an easy move. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you want to make sure you're doing is, like, you should be able to do at least 10 push-ups. Yeah, if you can't do 10 push-ups, it's going to be like kind of tough to you. So 10 push-ups, these are push-ups. So do 10 and you're ready, because the push-ups will help you, because this move still needs strength. Like you have to make sure that you can do like at least 10 push-ups, because that's the strength part. Also, you have to make sure that you can do like maybe still 10 sit-ups. Yeah, make sure you can do 10 sit-ups. These are the sit-ups. Yeah, do like at least 10. And what else? The next thing is like just a little flexibility from your hamstrings. So you should make sure that you can at least hold this position. Maybe not all the way to your knees, but at least you can like bend to a certain level of like flexibility. So you have to make sure that you have arm strength, because you are locking your arms when you're like bringing your legs towards you. The next thing is that you want to make sure that you can do maybe 10 sit-ups. Not maybe, you have to make sure that you can do 10 sit-ups. So that, because when your legs are up here, you're holding them with your core, right? It's not just with your hands, yeah? It's with your core. So you have to make sure that you tighten your core so that you can get that thrust when you're coming out of that move. So we're going to practice that. So the first thing you want to actually make sure you're doing is practice the move when you're sitting down, like what I'm doing right now. And then hold your hands like this. You don't want to hold like this, yeah? Not straight. You want to make sure, not straight, not back. It's like kind of a 45 degrees angle, like right here, not here, not here, here. Yeah, make sure you're holding that, and then try to bring now your legs to your core, and then try. Okay, the kicking part is going to come later. Right now, let's focus on just bringing your legs to your chest. So something like boom. Okay. Boom. So you don't want to do like this. You don't lift one leg at a time. It's both. So you have to make sure that you're pushing like boom on your toes, not like that, but on your toes, like boom. So go 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, let's try again. So boom. So wave and boom. Yeah. So the next thing now is, you kind of see what I'm doing with my legs, like they're coming down like I don't have any control over my leg. So that's the next thing we are going to work on, controlling your legs so that you can have a soft landing. You don't just want to bang your feet on the ground, like you don't want to do that. So try like having a little control over your legs. So do something like whoop, and control them when you're landing, and that is going to make sure that it's creating your core power, because when you're doing this, what is holding my legs is not my hands, it's my core. Yeah, not necessarily stomach, because you're using muscles to hold your legs. So let's try to have that controlled landing. So like boom and boom. Okay, so it's like kind of holding and then bringing down your legs like slowly. Yeah, and that is going to make sure that it's creating that core power. The next thing now you want to do is now not doing it from here. So you want to kind of do like a little hop, then your legs boom and back, and then you have to make sure that you're locking your hands. You don't want to do it like this. You don't have any support doing like this. Your arms is just gonna bend like that, and you're going to make a fall or a crash. That's what we call it. So you're going to crash. So try locking your hands right here. This. Make sure that you're holding the ground tight with that grip. Okay? So let's try now to do the hop, and then our feet, and then back. So like boom and back. Okay, boom. So we're not doing it from here. First of lifting, then hold the ground, boom, back. Okay. Then remember what he said: holding the legs first, then thrusting. Okay. So let's try that. Okay. That was kind of perfect. We don't want to do perfect right now. We're learning. So let's do like the holding just a little bit, and then releasing. But not from here. From here. From this position. So hands here, then jump. Boom. That is it. So now I know you want to do it like. I know that's what you want to do, but you can just learn it right now and then execute that perfect. You have to make sure that you're doing it a lot of times so that your body can get used to the move. Because right now you're kind of building muscle memory for that move. So it's going to be like kind of sketchy maybe for the first week. Then the second week you're going to start executing the move perfect. So let's try a couple, and then I'm going to give you the last drill, which is the thrust now for standing straight. So let's do like a couple of boom and back, and then we do the last one, which is execution. That's why you're admiring mine, because your ass looks. But it's just for now, just 2 weeks. We will be even doing it better than me, because I don't do the move anymore. Like I do have a lot more other moves to replace with that, but it's still cool. It's a cool move. I don't want to give up. So let's go do a couple, and then I'm going to show you the last drill. Yeah, from this. So now the last drill, which is that executing like where your feet are coming like super strong, and it creates that illusion of like a wave with your legs. So what you want to do to make sure that you can be able to do that, obviously, is holding the ground tight with your hands. Then you want to squeeze your feet to the maximum, like almost here to your face, like here. Okay, it's almost like you're touching your face with your knees. All right, then from there, now you're in this position, you want to kick up. You don't want to kick in front. Okay, you want to kick up. Then when your feet are at the maximum here, you want to now like extend your core, like boom. All right, so you're here, kick, boom. And that is how you're going to come up with that illusion. So you're here, kick up, and then extend your core. Let's try. Let's just try though, and then execute this. So something like boom, no, boom, kick up, and stand. Again, boom, up, stand, up, stand. So that is how you get that illusion. Cool, I know. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section below, and I'm going to make sure that I answer every single question that you bring. Also, if you want to learn these tricks, make sure you go check out Fistock University College. They teach these tricks and a lot more courses like DJing, martial arts, dance. So go check out their website. The website is www.fistockuniversity.com, or the customer care number is 0703-013-722. Also, you can send them an email at info@fistockuniversity.com, and they're going to get back to you immediately. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And that is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.